Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing you the 5 Blender add-ons that I think everyone should be using. So the first one, the first two actually, I think is Extra Objects and Archimesh. Now what these two do is, for example with Archimesh, if you go into Mesh, Archimesh, you're able to do things like room, doors, rail windows, panel windows, cabinet shelves, blah blah blah. And also some props. This makes it just a lot easier to, if you're doing like indoor scene, to add in some special effects, like if you don't, because you don't have to model everything yourself. And with extra objects you get single verts, round cubes, torus objects, math functions, gears, and pipe joints, which is, and also you get some things like beam builder, wall factory, simple star, all of these, which is really helpful if you just especially with the single vert, if you just need to, instead of having to delete all the vertices on a cube like this, instead of doing something like that to get a single vert, all you have to do is just do mesh, single vert, add single vert. It's that simple. And you can use this to extrude up, extrude to the side. It's useful. I think everyone should be using these two. Another add-on I think everyone should have is import images planes. So if you go to edit, preferences, search up image, if you have it turned on, turn it on, and if you just press Shift A and you can go down to image and image as planes. This is useful as you can make a billboard of a tree and just put a particle system over some hills, or you could put leaves all over a branch and just make trees that way, which is pretty cool. It's really useful and pretty effective and really fast. The third add-on I think everyone should get is it's free if you go to edit, preferences, and search up landscape and do add mesh ANT landscape. And what that allows you to do is if you go Shift A, mesh landscape over here, and scale it up, you have a big landscape. And if you just redo that, and you can control it. So if you just open up this drop down, you have a bunch of presets. You have a bunch of presets. You can, for example, you have cliff. You can also get canyons, and you're able to control these with the sliders all over here. And it's really useful for creating big landscapes without having to use a sculpt brush. Second best free add-on that I think Blender has pre-installed is the tree gen add-on. So if you go to edit, preferences, tree, and import and take add curve sapling tree gen, and then if you just let's just delete the cube. If you go to curve, sapling tree gen should be at the very bottom here. And what that allows you to do is to create a tree right here, which is really amazing. And you can change a bunch of things. You can change the geometry, branch radius, branch splitting, etc., etc. You can even animate it, and you even have some presets like willow, white birch, weeping willow, things like that. So it's really cool for making trees fast, and if you just need to fill a scene with them. Now, the best free add-on that I think Blender has that I don't even know why it's not pre-installed, that it doesn't already come with Blender, is Node Wrangler. So if you go Edit, Preferences, Node, and just at the bottom it should say Node Wrangler. This add-on is amazing as it lets you preset it lets you see preview nodes. So for example, this is a countertop that I've been working on, which you can just see a marble countertop. So you just see different ways. You just um control left shift click each node, and you get to see how they look combined, which is really amazing. It's extraordinary. And then as well, you can, for example, go um, Control T and put in a mapping text coordinate node. You can also automatically set up a principal BSDF in a matter of seconds. It's amazing. I don't know why not everyone has this and why it's not already in Blender as soon as you install it. That is all from me today. I hope that that you gained some benefit from watching this video. If you liked it, um, please consider subscribing or leaving a like on the video. And I hope you have a nice rest of your day.